What is up, everyone? I'm Brandon with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Mob Armor Switch Claw phone mount for the Can-Am Ryker. If you're looking for a stealthy cell phone mount for your Can-Am Ryker or Ryker Rally, look no further. We partnered up with our friends over at Mob Armor to bring you guys this. This phone mount features a claw-style mounting system with tension knob that allows you to easily and effectively mount your phone holder to your handlebars. It features a vertical adjustment knob on the backside that allows you to accommodate almost any phone sold on the market with or without a case. It even offers a side closed cell EVA foam layer to protect against shock and vibration while riding. And then the phone holder itself is made from 5052 aluminum alloy and then powder coated black to stand up to the elements. As you can see, once installed, its rugged styling looks like a factory piece, and its handlebar mounting claw keeps your navigation front and center where it should be. So if you're looking for a clean and stylish phone mount for your Can-Am Ryker, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.